Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access settings. Now click on connected devices and tap on pair new device. Wait for available ones to show up and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now we have to wait and click pair in the pop-up. Then wait again, but this time for another device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to forget this connection, you can always click on this gear icon next to the device and tap on forget. Then confirm your choice by tapping on forget device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!